A great source. So I love to hear your strategy and some of the nuance there.
Hello my loves, welcome to October's vlog. It was a pretty hectic October. I recorded this intro in the beginning of October, but yeah, full disclosure, I'm not going to use that footage because I had a huge like booger in my nose and I didn't notice. Hopefully I don't have anything in my nose at this moment as well, so this footage becomes completely unusable, but you guys, like, I'm such a slob. First things first, happy Halloween. I hope you guys had an awesome Halloween. I did nothing. I love Halloween, but it was just... October's just too freaking crazy for me to do anything. If you finished Inktober, congratulations. If you participated at all, well done. I didn't participate. I just find it like the challenge is just too stressful with everything else that I've got going on. You'll see I have a pretty stressful, intense month. I finished some paintings, sent out some stuff, sent out some paintings. It was my birthday mid-October, so we went to a gallery, so I'll take you along for that. Yeah, lots of design work, some new products in the store. It was just, oh, and I did the market. I did my very first market in Melbourne. I don't know, this vlog is like a hodgepodge. It's just like all over the place. So take you to the behind the scenes of my month, my crazy month. I'm really disappointed because I didn't achieve as much as I wanted this month. I'm having a really, really hard time trying to like do it all. All right, let's get into the vlog. All right, so there's a little elephant pin. I'm trying to work out like how busy it should be. It might look completely different by the time I release this video, but yeah, this is one iteration of it. I don't know how possible it's going to be to get all the little like ends done, and also it's got a lot of smaller details. I don't know how possible all of that is. We shall see. Another thing that I am working on is this commission painting, working on the sketch at the moment. We'll see how this goes. The hexagonal piece that I worked on, I did a similar thing where I drew it out on the iPad Pro and then transferred it with transfer paper. I just feel like it's so much more efficient. It's like I've worked out all the technical things already and like where everything should go and all the colors, so really it's just like going straight into it. I think on a technical time level it's just so much more efficient that way. Still need to add maybe a couple of bugs, and the client also wanted a cat featured in it, which, you know, I don't have any problems with because you know your gal loves cats. Yeah, I'm gonna keep drawing this and then we'll see where the day takes us. So it's been a couple of hours. It took me ages to get this cat right because it's foreshortened. It's a little bit tricky to get his body just right. But after all of that, I don't even know if I really want to include it. Like, the client wants a cat in there and I'll have to figure out another way to incorporate it, just because I feel like right now with all of the elements that are in it, it just has a really good balance between it being like pretty intense and then not so intense. All right, hello you guys. It's the next day. I went and got this just by coincidence. Somebody mentioned to get like a Lazy Susan in my studio vlog or studio tour, and yeah, I don't know, seems pretty cool, and some empty space, which is good, so there's some room to grow. It balances the table a little bit more. Another thing I got at the thrift store is this little jar over here, just putting all my like sharpeners and stuff in it. Didn't get it for any particular reason, I just really liked the way it looks. I also really like using rulers for when I draw. I've just placed all of the like drawing rulers that I've got on the side here. I just feel like if they're out and about, I'll use them a lot more. Before they were like tucked away, so I just completely forgot about them. Not the prettiest solution, but it is a good practical one. I also went to the art store. I've been wanting to get these like water pens for quite some time. I just feel like if I have stuff like this, I'll want to take my sketchbook out and about a little bit more and draw at like cafes and stuff. But I went to the art store because I needed to buy a bunch of canvases. I looked up and found this like place called the Art Shed in Melbourne. Gonna try out some wood boards, and it's a good space because they have like the odd shaped canvases, the corny ones that I like. So got another heart shape, some more circles, ovals. This canvas over here, we'll see how that goes. I will be painting this one. This is a commission. As I showed you guys yesterday, there was a cat that was at the bottom here, but it was just too busy, you know? So that's the proposed colors that I'm going to use. Yeah, and I'm excited to get started. Hello, it's the 9th of October. I am about to send out some packages. It's reaching the end of, towards the end of the year, it gets a little bit busier, so hopefully packages send out a little bit more frequently. I am almost finished with this piece over here. Yeah, I'll just photograph that, so that's all done and dusted. I was going to release a time lapse of this one this week, but I think this week instead I need to work on a tarot card. My tarot partner is really hammering down on me, which is really good because it's like, yeah, I need somebody else to just be like, oi, you gotta get on track, otherwise we're never gonna be able to do this on time. Mostly painting this week, which is really good. All right. Hello, it's my birthday, 15th of October, and I turn 29. Oof, it's a little bit depressing, but whatever. I finished a new card. You can see it over there. I've already posted the time lapse of that one, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I have yet to photograph that, and I will be turning that into a print really soon. That might be up by the time this goes up. Today, I need to send out a mailer announcing that there's a new card. At the moment, I'm just photoshopping a couple more suns in there, and it's got like tiny little hairs throughout the whole piece, so I just need to Photoshop them out and then put the graphic elements like the words and stuff on them in Illustrator, and then update the website and send that out. And then I also need to I need to do my tax. Oh my god, I'm gonna hand in my tax late. I've just already accepted it. It's just gonna be late. Yeah, really interesting vlog material, me doing my tax. I will be taking a nice day off with my boyfriend on Wednesday, so it's currently Monday, so in 2 days time I'll take a day off. I think we'll go to like a museum and just like have a really chill one. But yeah, I'll take you guys over to the gallery as well, try and sneak you guys in. Hi friends! A little update. I printed out a bunch of like outline stuff for a commission I'm gonna work on. Also have another one going over there, which will be on that one over there. I've also printed out another tarot card outline, but I also just got some prints in, which is exciting. A couple of prints from the tarot card stuff that I've printed currently. I'll show you guys the whole process of me packaging them for the markets. So yeah, I'll basically just be prepping for that. So I've made a right mess of my studio, just cutting lots and lots of cardboard. Hey guys, so here is everything that I've got for the markets. I'm a little worried because I don't feel like there's enough. Oh, the pink shelf things. I got these smaller ones over here at a secondhand place. In Australia we call them op shops, but I know in the US you guys call them thrift stores. So I'm gonna just continue using the word op shop because that's like what's emblazoned in my mind. So I got these, but then I painted them with, you know, just like wood spray paint. And then my partner made this one for me, and yeah, I feel like he did a pretty good job. Right now I'm just gonna try and pack all of this stuff into the suitcase. I'm a little worried. I definitely don't have enough, but yeah, I guess we'll see tomorrow. Hey loves, so it's a couple days after the market. The market was pretty good, a little bit slow, just testing out like what kind of demographic and markets fit my brand. I didn't feel like it was the right fit for me, but all the young people who came by were a good fit, and I just kind of need to go to a place where there are more cool young folk who are into like weird art. And I did meet one person from YouTube at the market, which was like, oh, yeah, really caught me off guard. So hi, if you're watching. That was really exciting. That was actually like the highlight of my day. So I hope to meet more of you guys in person at some point. So I'm gonna wrap up the October vlog. I hope you guys had an awesome Halloween, and I hope October was prosperous and busy for you guys, because it was pretty busy for me. I can't believe there's only 2 more months to go in this year. So it's all happening. So I'll catch you guys in the next video, and if you want to support your gal, you can head over to zekelunchbox.com and pick up some prints. I have uploaded a couple of new things, and you can also find me on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.